Hello and welcome to Pop Along RC, and today we are taking a closer look at some of the TT01s and TT02s racing at our local track. What we want to do at Pop Along is try and help new drivers better understand their cars and hopefully get on a little bit better with their racing. So over the last couple of weeks I've helped out a few people. David came to me the other day and he was struggling with grip roll. So what did we do to help him with his grip roll? We suggested a little bit of super glue on the sidewalls of his tyres. So this was a very quick fix. So if you've got too much grip, a little bit of super glue on the sidewall can really help stop grip roll. So as we have a look underneath the shell, we can see that everyone's cars look a little bit different. Over here on David's car, you can see that he has got a pretty funky heatsink there with this fan, which was made by Brendens 3D printing. Lee also has got some parts on his car. And if we take a look at Brendan's car, with the lime green, it does look good when it's all put together like that. So if you're interested in some of this 3D printed stuff, do check out his Facebook page. He's got lots of things on there. Brendan is relatively new to racing. His main interest is with the rock crawling, and he's got lots of things for rock crawling, drifting, and also racing. So if you're interested in any of this stuff, do take a look. New to the TT01s over at Leighton Buzzard is Frank, and he is one of the best drivers down at the club. He's got years and years of experience and very rarely puts a foot wrong. What has he got in his car and what is he doing differently to us? So I had a quick look at his car the other day and a little chat with him, and one thing that he has definitely got, which is slightly different, is most people are running either the Fastrax shocks or the Racing shocks, whereas Frank is running the TRF shocks off of his old TRF 417 touring car. So they are very good shocks. So yeah, racing at the moment is going really well, really enjoying the new radio gear. We have got so much planned, so do like, subscribe and check in soon because me and Mark have got some amazing videos coming your way. All the best.